How to replace a Novo XT Pro Plus tablet. You will need the pry tool that came with the chair, a small flathead screwdriver, and a manual Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Starting at a corner, use the pry tool to pry the shroud away from the chair. Using a small flathead screwdriver, pry the tablet cover off the chair. Using a manual Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the front of the tablet to the chair. Using the same screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the rear of the tablet to the chair. Lift the tablet out of the chair, disconnect the connectors, then remove the tablet. Now, let's replace it. Connect the new tablet connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Lower the tablet into position, pushing the connectors into the side panel, then align the screw holes. Using a manual Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 3 screws that secure the front of the tablet. Using the same screwdriver, replace the 3 screws that secure the rear of the tablet. Place the tablet cover into position, with the notches facing the inside of the chair, then press down firmly to secure it. Note the posts on the new shroud and the corresponding sockets on the chair. Align the posts with the sockets, then press the shroud firmly into position. Make sure all of the tabs slide under the fin, and that the shroud covers the fin. Using both hands, press the chair and the shroud firmly together from one end to the other to ensure that the shroud is secure. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.